We came here to continue discussion on the outstanding issues, and that is on the disputed and claim areas. And this is a continuation of a meeting. We'll be receiving a report from the JDC, the Joint Demarcation Committee, because the Joint Demarcation Committee was given an assignment by the JBC to research and conduct and present a report or present their findings to the JBC. We are optimistic that this time we'll be in a position to make long strides and resolve some of the issues. There are some people who believe that that the negotiation of borders is an event. And as such, they are surprised when they see the committee every time moving, coming and going, and without tangible results being seen. In fact, negotiation of borders is one of the most difficult issues. It is not an event, it is a process. South Sudan is experiencing it now, but even some of the most advanced countries up to now have not resolved their issues of borders. And I believe that we may be better than them because our problem, our dispute is not that difficult, but it is being complicated by others. Some of the countries like America and Canada, the boundaries of America and Canada are not resolved up to now. Come here, even to Sudan here. The border issues between Sudan and Egypt are not resolved. So it's not a simple task. It is a negotiation. Our people should be patient. We should also differentiate between the JPSM and the JBC. JPCM is a political and security mechanism. And this is the body in charge of the establishment of the corridors, not the Joint Border Commission. These corridors which are being established are temporary arrangements being done by the agreement in accordance with the provisions of the agreement, but the task of determining the borders falls with the Joint Border Commission. And this is what we are doing. So these corridors, which are being established at present, may be affected in a way or the other when we agree on the borders. So this is the difference, and our people should understand it, that we are not here for the corridors. We are here to negotiate the actual and final boundaries between the two countries.